morning, beautiful people, and welcome to your oracle reading for the day 3rd September 2020. And this is Shilpa Menon. So I'm going to ask the universe, what is the universe trying to tell us today? What do we need to do? What energies we need to bring in today, right? So what have I chosen today? I've chosen an I Can Do It card deck. Okay, these are the affirmation deck cards that I have chosen today. And let's see what the angels and the oracle cards are telling us. What is the universe trying to tell us? Why are the oracle cards? And what affirmation or a process that we need to follow today? So, here are the bunch of cards. Okay. Hi Jenny, so good to see you online. And let me ask for the message for the day or the affirmation. I've just picked up the first one right away. And it is beautiful. This deck always has messages on both the sides, you know. So I'm going to read them one by one, okay. And it says, life is never stuck, stagnant or stale. For each moment is ever new and fresh. So what is the universe saying? Use this affirmation. Tell yourself that life is never stuck, because we do tend to have this feeling that we are in a repetitive mode, we are doing mundane, we are doing boring. But come to think of it, this is making sense, because each moment is ever new and fresh. It's the way you look at yourself and you allow your vision to shift moment to moment. No two moments are alike, right? So considering that, this is making sense. And let me see what is the flip side. How can I really go ahead and make this moment not so stagnant, not so stuck, and of course, ever so fresh and alive? Good morning, everyone. Hi, Chavi. Hi, Kranti. Wow, so good to see all of you. I really love this. I love the way this lady is really holding her hands in the Dhyan Mudra. Okay. And also it's raising upwards, which is like she's so willing to receive things, right? And I love it. I love the stance. It's like a dance movement, but I'm receiving. And the affirmation here is, I do something new, or at least different every day. Powerful. Again, so we have two affirmations from the universe, or rather we can invite the energy just for today, okay, which is, I do something new, or at least different every day. So for today, do something new, do something different. And it's quite interesting, this affirmation came through. I usually wake up at the break of the dawn. So I woke up at 4 today, and I was just playing with my cat, sitting out in the garden. And I'm quite a coffee lover, for people who really know me. So no matter what time of the day, there is always a mug around me. Yeah. And I'm sure you guys have noticed that almost all the time. And so what I decided to do today was to wake up and have warm water with a lot of tulsi in it. So I did, honestly, was in the energy of doing something new and different today, right? So it could be something as small as that, but allow your creativity to come out and challenge yourself, or go beyond your thinking processes of the way to do things, and do a little bit, just about tiny little thing, but do something new and do something different today. Yeah, Chavi, that's amazing to know that it is your everyday mantra to do something new for sleeping. Oh, before sleeping, of course. Sorry, I just read it the way you said it. That's nice. I'd love to hear a little bit more about it later on, or you can even share now while I'm on the live doing the reading. So yes, this has been something, and I remember I have spoken about this in one of my FB live videos some time ago, that there was this time where I took up about good 3 months challenge, where every day I woke up and I did something new and different. So I would wake up with this energy and ask myself, what am I going to do different today, and where in my life I'm going to find a new way to be. I have noticed personally, in my personal experience, that it did make me start thinking so differently. The way the abundance flowed in, the way the gratitude flowed in, the way I started opening myself to infinite possibilities was phenomenal. So just for today, I invite you to do that, which means you're not going to allow any moment to be stuck or stagnant or stale. For each moment is new, ever fresh, and brings in amazing perspective. So with this, I'm signing off. This is Shilpa Menon. This was your reading from the universe via the cards. Do something new and different and creative. So nice, Vinita auntie. Yeah, I'm so glad it suits you so much. Hi, Ashmita. I'm going to say goodbye. Shabak hai. Do something new and different and do write into me, alright? Goodbye, everyone.